See here, this is my website. How to prepare the video for in this website along with the pictures and the music. First of all, any music will be downloaded by the YouTube channel that is called Create an Audio Library. In this, we can download for n number of music. This is a free music for n number of videos. No copyright for any music. This is a music policy for YouTube. We can use it for any videos. Once anyone, first of all, for a client purpose, we can design the images first. We can design the images first. First one, welcome screen. Second one is called end screen. End screen will be belongs to for contact form. End screen will belongs to for contact form. First of all, just we can install by two software. First one EasyVid. Second one Easy Video Maker. The simple one is called. We can go to website Easy Video Maker. The website is called easymakevideo.com. Easymakevideo.com. Here, up to 5 minutes, we can create the free videos. Up to 5 minutes, we can create the free videos. After 5 minutes, they go into premium version. You can build n number of videos. Up to 5 minutes will be free. Second one, ezvid.com. ezvid.com. You can simply download your videos for setup purpose. EasyVid for Windows. Just scroll down. Here click for download. The software will be downloaded by here. One is EasyVid, second will be Easy Video Maker. First open it for Easy Video Maker. So I can open the software here. Simply I can drag the pictures. Done it. Select it. So here I'm adding for each and every image. So when you make any videos, required for minimum required for the 1 minute videos. So first you can drag your location. Next, it will be showing for last will be contacts. So first you can start by the image of video. Any video if you add the music that is called here will be here. Just or else we can download simple one here. Music will be like this. Once drag, just select it. What is called audio line. It will be done. Click for render. You can select with the exactly name for what image you have to post for the share purpose. Select the exactly folders. Add your title. Click for save. Exactly any video will be making purpose required for the 1 minute, required for any video for earning purpose. Less than 1 minute, earning will be very less. Maybe no ads will display by the any video marketing channel. So this is called you can make the videos along with photos and music option using for EasyVid, Easy Video Maker.